Is that stubborn rust turning your prized ride into a crumbling nightmare? We found the ultimate rust-busting formulas that will actually save your car before it's too late. Today, we are tackling this menace head-on by testing and ranking the top 7 rust removers on the market right now. We spent weeks applying these chemicals to rusted-out fenders, corroded undercarriages, and seized bolts to see which ones actually deliver on their promises and which ones fall flat. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which product you need to keep your car looking pristine and structurally sound. 7. Rust 911 Rust Remover. This product markets itself as an ultra-concentrated chemical solution that promises to save you money by letting you add your own water. The idea of getting multiple gallons of rust remover from a small, easily shippable bottle sounds great on paper, especially for gearheads looking to do large-scale restorations on a strict budget. We mixed up a batch exactly according to the manufacturer's ratios, hoping to soak some heavily oxidized suspension components that we pulled from an old project car. The mixing process itself is straightforward, but it instantly introduces a layer of hassle that you simply do not get with ready-to-use products. You have to source your own distilled water to get the best results, as tap water impurities can mess with the chemical reaction and weaken the solution. Once we finally had our bath prepared, we dropped our rusty control arms into the liquid and waited for the magic to happen. The manufacturer claims it works quickly, so we were eagerly checking our parts after just a few hours. Unfortunately, the performance on light surface rust was the only area where this product seemed to show any real capability. It did manage to clear up some superficial orange oxidation on a few lug nuts and fin brackets we threw in as a test. However, when it came to the deeper, scaly rust that plagues older vehicles, the Rust 911 formula really struggled to make a dent. Even after leaving our suspension parts submerged for well over 24 hours, we pulled them out to find that the heavy pitting was still packed with hardened iron oxide. This lack of penetrating power on heavy rust is a major drawback for anyone dealing with real automotive restoration. 6. Turtle Wax 53759. Turtle Wax is an absolute giant in the car care industry, and this spray-on product is incredibly easy to find at almost any local auto parts store. We wanted to see how a widely available detailing spray would hold up against actual automotive rust, so we brought it into the garage to tackle some oxidized body panels and heavily rusted brake dust on a set of old rims. The application process is where this product truly shines. It comes in a convenient spray bottle, allowing you to quickly coat large vertical surfaces without needing to set up a soaking bath or break out the paintbrushes. As soon as you spray it onto a surface, the chemical reaction begins almost immediately. The clear liquid changes to a deep purple color as it reacts with iron particles, which gives you a very satisfying visual confirmation that the product is actually doing something. However, the smell of this product is incredibly pungent, resembling rotten eggs or sulfur, which makes working with it in an enclosed garage quite unpleasant. When we rinsed off the purple slurry from our test wheels, the surface rust and embedded brake dust were completely gone, leaving a remarkably clean finish behind. It clearly excels as a decontamination spray for paint and clear coat, safely dissolving microscopic iron fallout before you polish or wax a vehicle. But when we transitioned from detailing to actual rust repair, the Turtle Wax rapidly hit its limitations. We sprayed it onto a genuinely rusted-out rocker panel, expecting it to eat through the oxidation, but it merely changed color and ran off onto the floor. 5. Corroseal Rust Converter. This product takes a completely different approach to the rust problem. Instead of trying to dissolve and remove the oxidation entirely, it chemically converts the rust into a stable, paintable surface. We were incredibly excited to test this out on the undercarriage of a classic truck, an area where completely removing rust is often impossible without taking the entire vehicle apart and sandblasting the frame. When we opened the jug, we found that Corroseal has a thick, milky consistency that resembles latex paint. This makes the application process remarkably simple, as you can easily brush or roll it directly onto the rusted metal. We took a wire brush to knock off the loose, flaky rust from the truck's frame rails, wiped away the dust, and painted the Corroseal right over the remaining tightly bonded rust. It goes on smoothly and doesn't drip excessively, which is a huge plus when you are lying on your back under a car. The real magic happens during the curing process. Within a matter of minutes, we watch the milky white liquid interact with the iron oxide, turning from white to a deep solid black. This chemical reaction essentially transforms the rust into magnetite, sealing the metal beneath and preventing any oxygen or moisture from causing further corrosion. It was incredibly satisfying to watch the rusty brown frame visually transform into a sleek, protected black surface right before our eyes. One of the best features of Corroseal is that it acts as its own primer. Once it fully cured over the next 24 hours, we were left with a tough, durable barrier that was completely ready for top coating. 4. POR15 Rust Remover. The POR15 brand is legendary in the classic car restoration community, usually known for their bulletproof rust-preventive coatings. However, their dedicated liquid rust remover is a powerhouse in its own right, designed to dissolve oxidation safely and leave bare, pristine metal behind. We decided to test this formula on a batch of heavily rusted engine brackets and suspension bolts that we needed to reuse for a mechanical rebuild. The liquid itself is easy to work with, requiring no messy mixing or complicated measuring ratios. You simply pour it into a plastic or glass container and submerge your rusty parts. We dropped our crusty, decades-old brackets into the bath, and unlike some of the weaker formulas we tested, the POR15 solution immediately went to work. We didn't have to wait days to see a reaction. Within just a few hours, the liquid had visibly eaten through the top layers of stubborn oxidation. What impressed us most during our testing was how thoroughly it dissolved the rust in tight crevices and threaded areas. Often, mechanical parts have intricate shapes where a wire brush simply cannot reach, making mechanical rust removal impossible. The POR15 liquid penetrated every single thread of our rusted bolts, lifting the iron oxide away and leaving the steel underneath completely untouched. After leaving the parts to soak overnight, we rinsed them off with water to reveal parts that looked like they had just been machined at the factory. Another fantastic aspect of this remover is how it prepares the metal for future coatings. Not only does it strip away the rust, but it lightly etches the bare metal surface. 3. Rust-Oleum 248658. Rust-Oleum has been a household name in metal protection for decades, and their aerosol rust reformer is arguably one of the most convenient and effective products on the market for everyday car owners. We grabbed a few cans of this to tackle some nasty rust spots blooming on the inner wheel wells and lower door seams of our daily driver, areas that are notoriously difficult to treat with liquid baths. The sheer convenience of the aerosol delivery system cannot be overstated. Unlike brush-on converters that can get messy or liquid removers that require taking the car apart, this product allows you to point and shoot. The spray nozzle provides a wide, even fan pattern that effortlessly covers awkward angles and reaches deep into tight automotive cavities. We gave our wheel wells a quick wire brushing to remove the loose flakes, shook the can, and sprayed a thick coat right over the remaining rusted metal. As soon as it makes contact, the rust reformer goes to work bonding with the oxidation. It sprays on clear but rapidly turns black as it interacts with the rust, chemically altering it into a flat, paintable, rust-resistant surface. We were amazed at how quickly it dried to the touch, allowing us to build up multiple layers in a very short amount of time. It locked down the rough, scaly texture of the wheel well, leaving behind a smooth, hardened shell that felt incredibly robust. The long-term durability of this product is what really won us over. After treating our test spots, we purposely drove the car through rain and harsh conditions for several weeks. 2. WD-40 Specialist Rust Remover. When you think of WD-40, you probably think of their classic blue and yellow can of penetrating oil. But their Specialist line has quietly released one of the best rust removal liquids we have ever tested. What sets this product apart immediately is its safety profile. It is formulated without harsh acids or caustic chemicals, making it non-toxic and incredibly user-friendly. We tested this by soaking a completely seized rust-welded brake caliper assembly that we thought was beyond saving. Using the soak is wonderfully straightforward. We poured a gallon of the clear liquid into a plastic tub and fully submerged the rusted brake caliper. Because it is non-toxic and lacks the noxious fumes of industrial acids, we felt completely comfortable using it indoors without needing a heavy-duty respirator. The peace of mind that comes with knowing you aren't handling dangerous chemicals that could burn your skin or ruin your clothes is a massive benefit for any home mechanic. We let the caliper sit in the WD-40 bath for 24 hours. When we returned and pulled the part out of the liquid, the results were genuinely staggering. Crusted rust had turned into a soft, dark paste. We took a standard shop rag and literally wiped the rust away, revealing clean, bare iron underneath. The seized pistons, which had been locked solid by corrosion, broke free with minimal effort. The liquid had penetrated deep into the mechanical tolerances to dissolve the bond completely. Beyond its rust-eating power, we were thrilled to discover that the WD-40 Specialist formula is completely safe on surrounding materials. Our brake caliper still had some rubber dust boots and plastic fittings attached, and the soak did not degrade, swell, or damage them in any way. 1. Evapo-Rust ER012. If there is a holy grail in the world of automotive rust removal, this is it. Evapo-Rust has built a cult following among restorers, machinists, and mechanics, and after running it through our most rigorous tests, we completely understand why. We decided to throw the ultimate challenge at it, a heavily pitted, completely orange, rusted-out intake manifold from a junkyard engine that had been sitting out in the rain for the better part of a decade. Just like our number 2 pick, Evapo-Rust is water-based, non-toxic, non-corrosive, and contains no acids or VOCs. You can literally dip your bare hands into it without any adverse effects. We poured enough of the yellowish liquid into a large container to cover the manifold and let it sit. What makes Evapo-Rust so special is its active ingredient, which uses a process called selective chelation. This means the chemical molecules specifically target and bond only with iron oxide, completely ignoring the base steel, cast iron, rubber, plastic, and even glass. After letting the manifold soak overnight, we pulled it out and were absolutely speechless. Every single trace of rust, from the light surface blooming to the deep cavernous pitting, had been completely eradicated. The metal wasn't just clean, it looked as fresh as the day it was cast at the foundry. There was no aggressive scrubbing required, no wire brushing, and no damage to the delicate machined mating surfaces of the manifold. It chemically removed the rust with an efficiency that felt almost like absolute magic.